Okay, so I've taken the liberty of drawing this for myself ahead of time, but here's what we're dealing with. We've got rectangle PQRS, we've got triangle RST. We know the area of triangle RST is 7, and what we're trying to do is find the area of PQRS. So that's what we want. Area of PQRS equals question mark. Well, you know what? I'm just going to call it X so that when we're calculating it later, it's nice and easy to calculate for X. All right, so now, here's the quick and dirty way. You draw a line straight up from T. Now you made another rectangle. Let's call this point B. And now you know something. You know you just made a triangle that's exactly the same, congruent to a triangle RST. So you know the area of this is also 7, which means the area of rectangle TBRS is 14. Nice. Okay. Now, you know something else which is interesting that the question told you. It told you that PT is 2/5 of PS. PT is 2/5 of PS. Now, if you think about that for a minute, that means that TS is 3/5 of PS, right? That's logical. And so what we're going to do is we're going to say that this rectangle, which is 14, is 3/5 of the total rectangle, X, which you want. So that's an easy solve, right? 14 is 3/5 of X. And all we need to do now, and we can do it in 2 steps or we can do it in 1 step, but I like to do it in 2, that way I don't screw it up. Well, first we're just going to multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of the fraction, and we're going to say 14 times 5 equals 3x, and that ends up being 70. So I'm going to move over here. 70 equals 3x. Now we'll divide by 3. And we'll say 70 thirds is x. And that's it. 70 thirds is x, the area of rectangle PQRS, 70 thirds. Cool.